Welcome to the Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Lacey and today I'm going to show you how to get this eyeshadow look. I had some requests after I posted this makeup look on Instagram to do a tutorial, so that is what we are doing today. Okay, let's do this. So for this eyeshadow look, first thing we're going to do is go in with this white eyeshadow. It is from Sugar Pill. It's the shade Tako, and I am just going to put that on my lids and then also under my brow bone. Okay, then next up we're going in with the Mermaid Lagoon palette from Besame, and I'm going in with that terracotta orange shade on a big fluffy brush. I'm going to put that in kind of as a transition shade in my crease. And just make sure you get that nice and blended. And next we're going in with this lighter pink shade, and just gonna put that kind of over the orange a little bit, and then also just down a little bit onto the lid. Okay, next up we're going in with the darker pinkish purplish shade, and that I'm going to focus more on the kind of the outer part of my crease and kind of just deepen that up just a little bit. And then I'm also bringing that down onto my lid, just about to the middle, leaving the inner kind of third to half white. Okay, then I'm going in with this shimmery, pretty red. It is from the Infinity Stones collection. Hopefully you already got your hands on that, because I believe that it is now discontinued and sold out. So hopefully you have it. If not, the look will work without it, but I went ahead and used this again just in the outer kind of V area of my lid, to add a little bit more color there. And I got kind of more of a dense brush for that to kind of just pack it in, and you can also apply it with your finger. That creates quite a pretty effect. Okay, then I'm just going in with my big fluffy brush to just do some blending, and I'm just kind of blending it out a little bit better, kind of feathering it out. Now we are going in with this really pretty iridescent shimmery shade on a little brush, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner, as well as bring it out to about the middle of the lid. So it goes over the white section, and it also goes over the middle part of that dark purplish pinkish color, and that creates a really pretty effect when you layer this one over different shadows. Now I just took a second to put on my winged liner. I used NYX Epic Ink liner for this one, and then also pop on some falsies. These are House of Lashes in the style Iconic. And then I decided to bring a little bit of that darker pinkish purple shade down onto my lower lash line. I thought that kind of brought the look together a little bit better. So did that on both sides. And then I also like to line my waterline with white, and I'm just using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Going in with some bottom lash mascara just to kind of finish it all up. And then this is our final eye look. Thanks so much for watching this eyeshadow tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it, and I am on there at Lacey Faye, and I'd love to have you join me over there as well. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!